Here we are, we're back in the hot rod shed, 350 Vic. We've brought in the big guns, help us strip it back down.
We're getting there.
We've all done the good work, put it in, but now we're going to pull it back out. Strip all the engine gearbox back out of there, basically back to a bit of a bare frame. Then we're going to get into this old body, rip all the woodwork out of it, send it off to the sandblaster, get it all sandblasted, undercoated, then sit it up on top of the chassis, tack it on there, and then send it down to the workshop to get the steel work done to it. So there hasn't been much action for the last 6 months, but
we have chocolate.
We have chocolate, that'll get some action going.
That'll hold, won't it? No, that's right. No, we just have to pull out. No, stop. See this lever here? Oh, yeah. Just pull this across that way? Just pull this way. Yeah. And then have to go straight out. Whoa, Ben, whoa. Very hard to hold that. That's all right. Very hard to pull. Oh, I don't know. We'll just lift that crate over here. Yeah, I'll do it, Dad. See where how it's going to sit on there. Yeah, it'll try and get the oil pan. I'll sit on there, and this will sit on here.
Just watch out, I'll bring it down.
Don't put your hand on the rod. That looks good. Oh. Yeah, that's right, I'm just adjusting it. Wow, there she goes. Eddie. Great.
Just leave it set up.
Alright.
As you can see, these old girls, everything was nailed together. All of the interior timber. Oop, didn't know that was part of the car.
Coming apart.
Rob's working on something over here.
Moving
back
timber.
window. Doors have got to come off.
Don't know how. We have tools.
Drill. Yeah, drill straight in the hinges.
Very big.
There we go. Shed cam. I don't know, 6:30? 6. What's the time now? Oh, 36. 6. Oh, this is a good weekend. Oh, I haven't had a big weekend on the car for a long time, mate.
Right.
Oh man, that's pretty neat. Yeah. Yeah, it's kind of cool.
Yeah, you know, what's all these fittings and screws there?
No. Just bracing up a little bit. Nothing like a bit of wood. The whole car was built out of wood. Anyway, we're just putting a few more braces there just to keep everything solid when we want to transport it. And Rob's just stripping the door, getting all the old mechanisms out of there. Don't need those, they'll be all new.